So this is where I am. I'm in the dark mountains, in the hills, nothing but woods on both sides. I'm on a dirt road. And yeah, the dude I just brought back into these woods, I am 1,026 feet above sea level because my ears popped around 800 feet. Anyway, so I just dropped the dude off, and he told me, I picked him up at Rent-A-Car. He told me that this is the road he crashed his car on today, this morning, when there was ice and snow. So, that's kind of a comforting feeling considering we're in the woods, in the middle of nowhere, on a dirt road with heavy snow.